No garden? No problem. Today I'll show you how to grow fresh tomatoes in a simple 5-gallon bucket, step by step. A 5-gallon bucket gives tomato roots exactly enough space to thrive. Millions of Americans do this on their porches and balconies every summer. Choose a compact bush variety like Bush Early Girl, Patio Tomato, or Roma. Avoid large varieties like beefsteak. They'll outgrow the bucket fast. Drill 4 drainage holes in the bottom. Fill with potting mix, never garden soil. Mix in slow-release fertilizer. That's your foundation. Plant your seedling deep. Bury the stem up to the first leaves. This creates stronger roots. Water until it drains from the bottom. Place in full sun, 6 to 8 hours minimum. Check soil daily. If dry 2 inches down, water it. In summer heat, that may mean twice a day. Inconsistent watering causes blossom end rot. Stay consistent. 3 quick mistakes to avoid. Using garden soil, not enough sun, and planting before nights stay above 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Harvest in 60 to 80 days when fully colored. 1 bucket can give you up to 20 pounds of tomatoes. Subscribe for weekly small space gardening tips. See you next time.